Here in the charts, market beast Napoleon macro with a quick update on the NIO market. It appears that the long-term investors, the wait is finally over. Now, before you start celebrating, I want to show you two levels on the chart. We'll explore the weekly candles. Keep it super simple. If there's a retracement, I'll give you the level that it may go to, possibly through, as well as a potential resistance level just above the price. So let's go over it in a short video, guys. So welcome back, loyal family. If you're new here, we only explore price action. Thanks for sticking around, loyal subscribers. So we're gonna dive right into the charts here. So today's September the 30th, 2025, and the previous close of NIO, $7.62, slightly positive 5.6% for the day. Okay. Got some selling going in the post market there, $7.60, slightly negative 0.2% for the close. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So if you are new here, we actually have been exploring NIO for some time, actually years at this point. Keep an open mind, a lot of squigglies on the chart, kind of ignore them. But what we'll do is just kind of get down in the crevices here, or just in the recent price action to see where we are. And the two levels that I want to leave you guys out with, again, super simple, short video. Let's actually erase everything for now. We'll bring it back. Okay. So again, we're looking at the weekly candles. And as I have been following NIO for some time, the previous level of resistance is very simple to see. You'll see it right about there. That's going to be at $6.84. Yes. Okay. So that is the level if there is some sort of retracement in the NIO market, although I'm not sure, honestly, because right now what we're dealing with is an active weekly candle. Okay, so you see the green candle right here on the screen. It's active, and there's still about 2 days and 21 hours for it to close. So that's a reasonable enough time for it to do anything. It could go up, it could go down. Now, I'm not all over the place, critics. Okay, I'm not saying it's going to go up or down. What I'm saying is I think the trajectory is higher. Now, that I may have a bias because we've been long for some time. But again, if there is a retracement, the first and only level that I'll be looking at is $6.84. That's it. Okay. Nothing complicated about that. Now, the next level I think that NIO may have a little resistance with is possibly this level. Hopefully we'll keep you guys kind of up to date as necessary, right? As the price action develops here. I think the next level up, this is a new level, okay? I don't think we've ever explored this level on the channel. It's going to be $8.75. Okay, so those are just the two levels. I don't want to overcomplicate things. The price action is currently within this range. That's not speculation. That's not maybe. It is clear as crystal on the chart, okay? 684 up to $8.75. So for now, let's leave you guys out with that range to see how the price action behaves. Of course, let's give it our infamous 3 weeks. If we need to give it more time, that's fine, as long as the price action is just kind of hovering, bouncing, whatever activity it's doing. If it fits within this range, I don't really have any additional information for you wonderful folks. But I did want to stop in and let all the NIO investors know that it appears that the skies are clear. Again, don't start popping those bottles and celebrating just yet. You have the range. I don't have a time frame. All right, let's just give it some time. I think that the most important thing that has happened is, for now at least, this can change, okay, guys? So have an open mind here. So let's just stretch it on over. The low risk range. I hope we are leaving links for the videos that we've explored for some time. We've had this on the chart for some time. The low risk range, which is in between the $4.18. It goes all the way up to $7-ish. Okay, so we've been exploring this range for some time, getting all the investors ready, saying, yes, this is where you want to establish a position. Not financial advice, but it appears so far that information has been accurate, okay, or useful. All right, so as long as the price can stay above this range, I don't want to give you too many numbers, guys, but it's close to the $6.84 level. So weekly candles, as long as it's closing above 684, that's it. All right, I don't want to overcomplicate this video, but that's pretty much it. Things still look good in the NIO market. But please do expect resistance here over the course of the next weeks, even months, for the price action to, get rejected. That's normal, guys. You have the range. Let's just keep a close eye on NIO, or at least put alerts on your chart in the range that we just explored so that you'll know what's going on. Is it going higher? Is it going lower? And you can just kind of, enjoy your life. You don't have to stare at the charts all day. So that's it in a nutshell. That's the update that I wanted to give you, wonderful folks, long-term investors. I know you guys are super frustrated with the price action. Let me know down in the comment section, how long have you been holding NIO? How many NIOs are in your portfolio? Have you thrown in the towel? Have you been holding? Let me know that information down in the comment section. So thanks for sticking around to the end, guys. That's it. So if you don't mind doing me a huge favor before you go, by simply leaving an appropriate thumb, I would appreciate it on the video if you enjoyed the content, and leave a comment so that the YouTube algorithm can promote the video on the channel. Thank you for your continued ears and support. If you guys are new, we also explored the alternative market from time to time, so you can kindly join us here on this interesting journey, and we'll send that out to you momentarily. Welcome in. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you all for your time. Remember to always have a strategy before you enter the market. Keep that positive energy flowing. We'll talk soon, and bye for now, guys and gals.